Hi, my brilliant chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. Today I'm going to make jasmine rice in my rice cooker, but this method works for all types of rice. All I used to prepare this dish was some rice, water, and my rice cooker, plus a little bit of herbs to add some aromatics. With that said, let's get cooking. The way my rice cooker works, and most rice cookers, measure out a cup of rice, and then you're going to fill it to water to the 1 cup line. It doesn't quite equal 1 cup of water to 1 cup of rice. It's not a 1-to-1 ratio. Add the lid, plug it in, and press the button. That's pretty much it. And then it's just set it and forget it. Most rice cookers that are basic like this one, I'm not talking the advanced, expensive ones, they all operate pretty similarly. Then I add some chopped cilantro once the rice has reached the fluffy consistency of my liking. And that's just to add a little bit of aromatics to it. I think it's pretty common to add parsley or cilantro or some other, maybe tarragon. But I'm just adding a little bit of cilantro, fluffing it around, fluffing up the rice a little bit. This is just a pretty straightforward way to prepare rice for a quick side dish or main course. All you're really doing is heating up the rice. If you don't have a rice cooker, it still works in a frying pan. Just add the rice to the pan and boiling it in water till it reaches the proper consistency. How do you make a simple rice dish like this? Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm truly grateful. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!